Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you the spicy green sauce. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Are some white onions, some garlic, and fennel. These green sweet scented peppers here. These peppers are not spicy, but they have a delicious scent. I'll be using some green bell pepper. This also adds to the flavor. The main ingredient here is the green chili pepper. This is spicy. Put everything in a blender together and blend it up. Big enough pan on fire and come in with some oil. I'll pour in my blended ingredients. This on low flame. Ginger powder, white pepper, some vegetable seasoning, curry powder, black pepper, I'll add some soy sauce, some salt to taste, and let this cook on low flame for about 20 minutes. Now I'll check on it occasionally so all the water evaporates. About 20 minutes, I'll give it a good stir and leave it alone for about 20 more minutes. So it seems we're almost done here. It has thickened up and look at how the quantity has reduced. I'll just grate in some nutmeg for extra flavor. After about 10 minutes more and it's ready, so I'll just put up the flame and come in with some basil leaves. This will add extra flavor, and I'm gonna do this with the fire off because you don't need to cook basil. The sauce is ready. This is a great condiment. It goes with fish, meat, whatever you want to eat it together with. But you have to be careful, it is super spicy. But you can't regulate the spiciness. You can use less of the chili pepper. Okay, so this is it, and I hope I did help you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye!